Hey, how you doing, Ms. Beth? My name is Damyan, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So I know you may be asking, like, what do I know? Why is your website screencasted right here in front of us? And what's in it for me? So I found that most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their companies. But with me being the expert, I've laid out an easy free attack plan right here in this video of 3 basic search engine optimization tactics on-site and off-site that'll help set your company above your competitors in Colombia. So by the end of this video, if you like what you heard and you see that I'm knowledgeable and can help your business, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I'm giving you and use it for yourself, that works for me as well. So without further ado, the first thing I want to go over is your content. So you guys don't have 2,000 words that Google is looking for on your first page, along with the 750 words that they want to have for each additional service page that you have on your website. And then I'm going to see if some of your picture tagging is correct by saving an image. So this should pop up Palmetto State Roofing in Colombia, something like that. Something to the effect that would give you a powerful keyword to link back and give you those points with Google. But logo 10 isn't going to cut it. So some meta tagging and picture tagging needs to probably be done on your site. Here's your top 2 competitors, which is Premier Roofing in Colombia and Bergen Roofing. I can tell you right now that these guys don't have 2,000 words on their website. They don't, so you can kick the crap out of them in just that area alone to help you rank up on Google. So we search a simple keyword right here, top keyword for roofing Columbia, South Carolina, right? All right, so Premier Roofing is at the top position, and Bergen Roofing is at the second position right here. I know this is just tripleb.org, but they're at the second position for that. All right, when we go in Ahrefs and we look up this keyword right here, roofing, the same keyword, roofing Columbia, South Carolina, it has a 600 search volume a month. So that means 600 times people search roofing Columbia, South Carolina a month. And they're at the #1 position for showing up for that. And this is Premier Roofing, the #1 competitor. So Bergen Roofing, for the same keyword, is showing up at the #2 position. All right. And then the #3 position, you guys being the third website that we're getting together for a comparison, PalmettoStateRoofing.com, you guys show up at the 33rd position for roofing Columbia, South Carolina. A word that's searched 600 times, and that's probably definitely missing out on a lot of cheddar because of that. So the way we get these keywords powerful is by generating more backlinks and referring domains to those keywords on your site. So that improves the UR, which is your power, and your DR, which is your trust for the site, and overall moves you up in Google's eyes. So here's Bergen Roofing's UR and DR, and then let's get to you guys, which is at a 15 and 11. Not too shabby, but it does need some work so you can outrank those guys, right? All right. So we look at your tropical trust flow for yours, and then you see that your trust flow is 22 and your citation is 22, which is really good because it has a great golden ratio of 22 to 22. But the only thing about that is the referring domains that you have are not very powerful because they don't pertain to the expertise that you portray. Which, when I say that, society and law, you do roofing. Society and organizations, you do roofing. You get what I'm saying? So you need more powerful referring domains to help scale your business up. So when we compare you guys to Bergen and Premier, you know, you have a nice trustful citation flow, but theirs is not too shabby as well, at 6 and 31, which they need to get their trust flow up, and it's at a 29 and 34 for Premier. But the thing that stands out is, you scroll over, you're referring domains, you're referring IP addresses. You're only at 3, while they're at 9 and 8 and a 14 and 14, which means they have more powerful links that are coming back to their site and adding power to your site. So the third thing I want to show you that can get you guys ranked up in Google a lot faster is this Google Map Pack right here. And you see these guys. So in the Google Map Pack is what I call citation. So You have the company name, the address, and then the phone number. So what we do is get you in different directories so that it adds more power back to your site and adds more validity that this is your business and it's everywhere. It needs to be on LinkedIn, Facebook, Yelp, white pages, yellow pages, you name it. Just so it's like a popularity contest, right? That's basically the best way to explain it. And you really want to be on the first top of this Google map pack right here. Oh, my computer just froze on me. All right, so that's pretty much it. You know, that's the three things I want to go over with you. Three simple things that you could do yourself, but however, my intent was only to, you know, educate you. But on the flip side, if you do want to use the most cost-effective route, you want to save yourself time, give me a call at 855-955-2393. We can discuss more and we can go over a game plan for you guys. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for your time.